Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Babcock Davis RHPII-Kit-HOA CRB. This is a hold-open arm assembly that is used in conjunction on their RHP or their Personnel 2 roof hatches. This is the hold-open assembly. Probably going to see it on the right side. We'll take a look at the drawing in a moment. This is going to include the rubber vinyl handle that you will just get on there and take a rubber mallet and tap it down. It will also include the mounting hardware for that to the sidewall. It's going to be a bushing that will fit in there. There will be a nut with a Torx drive. No idea what size that is. That's a larger... Don't quote me, obviously, but T40, if that's a size. I'm totally guessing. Not totally guessing, but educated guessing. And then, of course, a Riff Nut that will go into the sidewall. The purpose of the Riff Nut is when you tighten that bolt down, these grooves will, as this is tightened, cause the Riff Nut to fold over the thickness of the material that you're attaching it to. So that's how that installation works right through here. So it's going to look it's a bit tight there. Is it threaded? Well, that hole's just tight is what it is. Had to get that taken off. Yeah, that hole's a little bit tight. That bolt's got a feature to it that has flattened sides, which is part and parcel of the type of bolt that this is. Let's take some dimensional properties of the hold open arm. Overall length, about 18-inch. Weighs about 1.97 pound, about 1 inch and 5/16 overall width, probably a 1/4 inch thick, or 3/16 anyway. Demonstrated earlier, it's made of steel, obviously a corrosion-resistant coating, zinc coating over it, and then of course the handle. Let's switch to the about 4 5/16. Let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at some supporting documentation. So the page as seen here, many pages of drawings of their different Personnel 2 hatches, etc. And our information actually is right on page 1, and that would be the package HOA and CURB hardware. It's all item number 2 as shown here. So part 2 is going to be comprised of the bracket itself, the bolt package, and then the red vinyl handle. That is kind of mentioned right here below in the table of contents for the listing of these different items. Okay, all of these other items ought to be in the site. In fact, I know that they are. So every one of those in this table are definitely here. Okay, typical material. There is, below this video, a link to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Babcock Davis products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And that manufacturer's page, I will show you. Okay, all the Babcock Davis products we sell, website, product catalog, etc. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Okay, in conclusion, Babcock Davis is, in my opinion, a very high-quality company. In terms of the material that I've seen from them is always, the fit and finish is exceptional. Frankly, they treat roof hatch hardware as if it's finished hardware. Their customer service, their product management department, their technical support are all exceptional. They all are responsive. They are acting as if they're partners in the process of helping us determine for you what the proper replacement parts are for your roof hatch. Any questions on This is the Babcock Davis, part number RHP2 or RHPII kit-HOA CURB or any other Babcock Davis product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.